I didn't want to be a doormat for any man. And when Moses asked him to recommend one of his assistants, Lazarus selected the one who, he had noticed,
whoa, shit, look at that up there. Holy fuck. Yep, the roads were icy, holy crap.
You know, they had the punt block.
There's a car coming. Wow, what the fuck?
Over to Tom Shanahan, theoretically for the Democratic Party. Theoretically, Moscow said.
Really?
Behind that word was echoed by others who came into contact with Tom Shanahan, or even inside.
You can wait 2 seconds for me to pass you.
Politics as a matter of course. Soon, their friendship was an open secret. Joe Ingraham became aware that at every party Moses attended, Mary Grady would be there in the background. Moses had never taken a vacation without Mary the First.
Really?
In 1952,
what the hell?
she was too ill to accompany him to Florida. After that, he began taking Mary.
And she is also married to the most frequent guest of Trail Tales, Baker O'Corney.
What the fuck?
A guest a few episodes ago. So Jessica, thank you for coming back on. Was it like 19 when we did our last episode? I don't even remember.
It might have been 2018.
I think you ran the red light up there too.
I think I was like an episode.
That one day we're going to lose our parents, whether it's to dementia, old age, or another illness.
Jeez.
We are supposed to outlive them, and we're supposed to learn to go on once they're gone.
Just be through January 1st. Now you go all the way to the Super Bowl. Well, I always have. Like I've done the last couple of years. I've done New Year's Eve in Vegas, but otherwise, Thanksgiving through Super Bowl, I'm watching playoffs and shit. And
what the hell are you doing?
Now my fucking house burned down. Didn't burn down.
Really?
You're telling me so. I've been living out of hotels.
You suck.
The entire
you
year.
really suck.
You
suck.
Like electrical fire.
You had to swoop around me just to stop in front of me.
Yeah, so it was all burned from the ceiling.
To cover it all, he's verbally abusive. He is neglecting her and their infant child.
Screw bro.
That's living with his grandparents.
I just for some reason. This may happen. This may
Hello. Really? No stopping. Don't you see me here? Really? And now you gotta go as slow as possible because of reasons.
All the fucking bullshit happened? Oh my god, I gotta do
Oh, they got no gas there now?
If I acted like that, which is what...
Wait, what the hell are you doing up there? Yeah, he moved back to the right. What an asshole.
Well, I mean, it changes year to year, and it's changed over the years. I mean, if I were giving advice to someone else, I would say drive down the road and look for deer crossing signs, because they don't put deer crossing. Kind of pay attention to.
No, that's I've never thought about you using that as a good telltale sign.
Stop it!
How you almost, even if just for a single night.
What was the guy doing? Yeah, of course. Toyo turd.
And the subject doesn't come up at all.
But it pops up. You know, for example, we had our, like I said, a family gathering on Labor Day, and he and his girlfriend were over, and somehow
with our parents anymore. Another of my siblings has expressed grief.
Whoa, what the
like
fuck?
For the living.
There's a car right there.
Last night, at the St. Mary's game, it was close until 41-40. Then they went off and they run. Any game you talk about, the entire game, they were up 4 late in the first.
What the fuck? Really?
As they were running in for the intermission, which is they've done that. I'm a better coach now than I was 2 hours ago, and he meant it. But let's be honest, everybody gets judged by winning, by titles. That's just the way it is. I mean,
that was red. Really?
When you wake up
Toyo turd.
champion as a head coach.
Explained to his doctor that he was experiencing joint problems.
Really? President Biden has been having joint problems.
What the fuck?
His doctor, the White House doctor, I guess advised him to roll them tighter.
I've heard that parrots live a long time. What are the birds that live 100 years? They live so long that you actually
really
have to put something about them in your will.
If I die, I need you to check on my parents. If I want to hear about our time on Mars' first team, I'll need you to do that. It won't be easy talking to a couple about their dead son. It's a lot to ask. That's why I'm asking you.
Yeah,
I tell you you're my best friend and stuff, but it would be... The Taiyang Shen had no strategic or military...
What the hell's he doing? What the fuck? What the fuck are people doing? What are you doing? Really?
We'll track it down, no problem, Boney said, expressionless. Noelle Hawthorne? Right. I told you to check her out because she's been all over town wailing about Amy.
The nice Christians. The nice Christians who don't seem to be very...
Hey!
Only 17%,
really?
Though. So that they switched because their church or congregation became too political.
Arizona. I guess they don't have stop signs there. What the really? Really?
His wife had died long before Dick was born. For a man of color in that place...
Really? It's double-lined and I'm coming. Really?
I'm tired. I'm too depressed. I thought I'd feel better after a night's sleep, but I didn't get much. Honey, this place is just so full of her.
Really?
Not just her work, her vitality.
Yeah, you're an asshole.
Her voice wavered.
I was about to move over, too.
They'd been together for...
I understand the development of the text. And I think I left out Syriac. So I guess that is another...
Wait, there's a car right there! Really? He didn't really stop either, I don't think.
Like, I always fucking do that. There is so many people that do that. You either get them wrong, or my favorite is the amalgam.
No stop, and right in front of a cop, too. Good job. And cut people off. And you're not going to pull them over for that shit, although I don't think that... Is that the right... Am I in the right county? I don't know.
That's the same complaint that we have when fundamentalist Christians get into power.
Yeah, I saw it coming, and oh boy, no, red light run, red light run, red light run, and frickin', I don't know if that was, whatever. Fuck, there's cars coming. You're really gonna go for it? Really? Really, you gonna cut the corner?
Totally potty trained, dude. I'm almost out of diapers. And there's a lot of things. There's a lot
of
gadgets to them moving along as they grow up. Diapers is not one of them. You know, diapers and the car, not strapped.
Hey, what the? Really? Really?
From Justice Scalia and his colleagues. The oral arguments were just a few weeks out, and she was preparing for the most daunting challenge she'd ever confronted.
Yeah,
that
could have been bad if he...
On that Saturday in September, though, one that belonged more to summer than to fall.
You done messed up, A-Rod! You know what, as they say, Cecil, the dildo of consequences rarely comes lubed.
There's cars there. What the fuck? Really?
Crosses had been burned near Lee's summit. Klan membership was growing in independence, and two of his opponents, Parent and Shaw, had Klan support. Edgar Hind urged
like all of his views. He's just Trumpism. He's kind of the thing we've always been worried about.
Yeah.
Like we've always been worried on this show, talked about him. And said,
what are you doing on the wrong side of the street there? What the hell? What the? Straight from the left turn lane. What an asshole.
People that I should be getting boosted, and I just go with the flow, you know?
New one's coming
Really?
out soon. We'll be hearing about it soon.
Okay, alright.
Man, listen to all this shit not go over back there. Good job. Your country's proud of you.
Just make sure there's a lot of people around. But when I get to the Shaw's hiking hostel, which they were staying that night, they come up to me and
What an
they're
asshole.
like, Flash, it's my trail.
Oh, really? FedEx!
With these tackles, that's scary. And now, Zach, a quarter.
Really? What the hell are you doing? You're a douchebag. And what, you're gonna do it again? Because why not? You're gonna get held up at a red light somewhere and it'll erase all your progress. Friggin' idiot. Oh, what do you know? You got held up at a red light. Gee, who could have saw that coming?
Ironically, Weil had tried hard in 1934 to recruit Oppenheimer to the Institute, but Oppenheimer had adamantly refused, saying, I could be of absolutely...
Hey, what the fuck are you doing over there? Really? What the fuck? Yeah, just to move back over there. You're an idiot. Really?
He can't hear. Mike just doesn't listen. That's the difference between these two. What? Well done. Well done. Back here on the Rich Eisen Show Radio Network, sitting at the Rich Eisen Show desk furnished by Grainger with supplies and solutions for every industry. Grainger has the right product for you. Call clickgrainger.com or just stop by. It's a greatly
Whoa, what the fuck? Really?
Stopping by in advance of taking on the Arizona Cardinals.
Dude, what are you doing? The guy in front of me is slowing down.
Talk about the only guy on planet Earth to say I've been the head coach of the Green Bay Packers and now the current head coach of the Dallas Cowboys, Mike McCarthy, here on the Rich Eisen Show. Good to see you, Mike.
Whoa! Really? Really? Again! Wait, what the hell? What the heck is... What the fuck? Really? From Washington, what the hell are you doing?
8 to 10 minute videos on the history of the NFL. And now, on with our feature presentation. October 8th, 2023. It's week 5 of the NFL season, and we're at the Acrisure Stadium in Pittsburgh on this beautiful autumn day for a big
frickin' jersey. What? Now he's on the shoulder. What the fuck are you doing?
Maybe there's another planet that you can't see that's tugging on it that we're not including in our equations.
Well, what the hell?
Oh, because
and you got a door open too.
Too close to the sun.
Really?
It's glare.
For this, obviously, thank God.
We've been able to
but in
nice cutoff.
Yeah,
Vatican.
like this has been demonstrated. where basically when you turn up the temperature, that increases the process of cell.
Oh, you're an asshole. You're on the shoulder now. I thought that was an exit dive, but no, you're even more douchey.
Is when a plant.
An interesting avenue to walk down.
You know, we're recording this first thing on a Saturday morning because our schedules are horrible to line, and I hate to start your weekend with a Tucker Carlson clip.
Red light run, red light run, red light run, and you're, what the fuck are you doing? You almost took out that biker guy. What the fuck? Wait, did they crash? It's hard to tell.
Check out that biker guy.